What's up guys, on today's video we are going to be reviewing the MUCAR BT200 Max OBD2 scanner. If you've been looking for an OBD2 scanner that does more than just read the check engine lights, then this might be exactly what you're looking for. Today we're checking out the MUCAR BT200 Max. I've spent some time using it, and in this video I'm going to show you what it can do, what I like about it, and a few things to keep in mind, and whether I think it's worth buying. So let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is how small the scanner really is. It plugs directly into your vehicle's OBD2 port and connects to your phone through Bluetooth. The setup is really simple. You download the app, pair the scanner, and you're ready to go in just a couple of minutes. Once you're connected, the app is clean and easy to navigate. Even if you never used the scan tool before, finding your way around it isn't that difficult. Of course, it reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, but that's only scratching the surface. One thing I really like is that it performs a full system scan. Instead of only checking the engine, it can communicate with systems like the ABS, airbag, transmission, body control modules, and much more, depending on the vehicle. Now let's talk about the live data, because this is where I spend most of my time. You can monitor engine RPM, coolant temperature, intake air temperatures, battery voltage, fuel trims, oxygen sensor readings, throttle position, mass airflow sensor data, and a whole lot more. If you're trying to diagnose a vacuum leak, sensor issue, or a drivability problem, being able to watch everything in real time is incredibly helpful. Another feature I like is the graphing function. Sometimes numbers don't tell the whole story, but when you watch a sensor on a graph, it's much easier to spot that something is acting up. One of the biggest features of the BT200 Max is its bidirectional controls. That means the scanner can actually command certain vehicle components to operate for testing. Depending on your vehicle, you may be able to activate cooling fans, cycle relays, perform actuator tests, and run other active tests that make the diagnostic problems much easier to see. Again, vehicle support varies by make and model. It also includes several maintenance and service functions like oil resets, electronic parking brake, battery registration, steering angle sensor reset, TPMS function, and much more. So who do I think the scanner is for? Well, if you're somebody who enjoys working on your own vehicles, wants to save some money on diagnostics, or just likes having more information about what's going on under the hood, I think this is a really solid option. It's affordable at around $80, but if you're running a professional repair shop and need dealer level programming or advanced coding, you'll probably want to step it up to a higher end scan tool. But for most DIY mechanics, the scanner offers a lot of compatibility for the price. Overall, I've been impressed with the MUCAR BT200 Max. It's easy to use, connects quickly, offers excellent live data and bidirectional functions, and makes it much more powerful than a basic code reader. If you're interested in picking one up, I'll leave more information down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let me know in the comments what scanner would you like me to review next.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.